Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Vlogmas day 6? 6? Yeah, 6. We're gonna do a little apartment Christmas tour. It's very tiny, but it's cozy, so let's get to it. We'll start over here. So over here, I actually don't have that much. I have my lights and I want to print out a bit more pictures, and I also have my Jonah baseball cards there, and I want to print out a few more pictures, but it's lights. So is it Christmas? No, but them on gives the Christmas vibe. Now in the bathroom, all we got is this very Christmassy reindeer, and he's so cute. And both lights didn't go on, but there he is. He's cute. And then we got a bunch of trees, and that's about it. And I turned on the light to make it feel Christmassy also, but it's basically a marble tree folklore forest. That's what it's giving. And I also have this one, which I showed you last year, but it really is my favorite. I'm obsessed. Oh, and we got this new edition, I believe. This reindeer. Maybe not. Maybe I did have this last year. But either way, I still very much love this reindeer. But yeah, it's a folklore marble forest. It's giving that sort of vibe. Very whimsical. I love the whimsical, if you can't tell from my last one. My bed is very Christmassy though. Okay, we got a Target snowflake blanket. Love it. Love it so much. Now my pillows. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. These two should look familiar. This Santa pillow is from last year. This Squishmallow is from last year. I don't know if I had it at school that much though. And then my little Coco. I named him Coco. I love him. He's amazing. He's my first jelly cat. I'm obsessed with him. He's amazing. I love him. Love him so much. It's like my favorite thing ever. I love it. So cute. I love it. I want more jelly cats. More specifically the food ones. I love the food ones. I know. I love them. And then over here, we got a little Christmas tree. Love it. And then this was from my internship, and one of my workers gave me this and he made it, and I love it so much. Doesn't it match my room perfectly though? Like, look, it fits in so well. I have a lot of Santas in here. Now I have to fix this because now it's bothering me. Set up. There you go. And then I put on these Christmas lights. Now I've been having these on for the whole night. Why is it weird like that? Oh, I don't know what it's doing. I never noticed it did that. But these, I love them. I've been reading with these on, but that green one keeps bothering me. Okay, that's weird. And then I always put on a winter ambiance, no matter what. Like, also Salem. I love them on while reading. It's so cute. It just, at night, I need one of these on while I'm reading. I just like the background noise. Love it. And I thought this one was pretty because it's more daytime. And so I picked this one right now. Then my tree. You guys probably saw my tree last year. It's very much similar. There's still the cake pops and these little marshmallow things. And then it's basically the same as last year, just a few more like mirror balls, because I got more at the end. Like these gold ones I feel like are new. But all the same ornaments, just different places. So you can always look at last year's for a cuter version. But yeah, that's it. That's my very short room tour. But there's not much to show. But honestly, for the last 3 weeks, it's keeping me happy. And it's 20 days till Christmas now. Or for you guys, 19. But if you're watching this when it comes out, it's 19. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, just like, I don't know, do the rest of the Christmassy things, see family. Like the week before Christmas is all our like Christmas gatherings and all that. So I'm excited. I'm happy. Happy wappy. And then I know, I'm just excited to do things, and then once I'm home, like I don't know, I'll do the same stuff as here really, but I like being home with my fam. I like being home with my fam. Well, if you guys liked today's video, give it a like. Actually, give it a like if you didn't like it also. Like, just like it. It helps me. No, it's fine. Do whatever you need, but comment what your room looks like. Describe your room to me, or send me pictures of your room through my DMs. All my socials are down below if you want to do that. I did my outro so weird. I don't even know what to say. But subscribe. Posting every single day of December. So if you want content, if you have nothing to watch, you can watch me every single day of December. And this is either I think this is my 4th year of doing Vlogmas. Get to it. Get to it. So I can't with myself. But yeah, you're bored, you can watch me. I ramble, and it might interest you, or you might be confused. That's great. I like listening to Sarah ramble about F1, and I get so freaking confused what she's saying, and I enjoy it. So maybe you'll enjoy me rambling over books or anything like that, or over Christmas. Like, how fun is Christmas? But yeah, what my point is you should subscribe. You'll enjoy it very much. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 7. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Peace. Bye.